Hi, thanks for watching this video. This video is part of a 3-post series where I explain how you can assemble your own Golu Padi at home. I suggest you read the other 2 posts on the blog. They are about the design, materials and the cost involved in doing this DIY project. All I needed were 2 side steps or side risers, 5 of these wooden planks which would serve as the actual steps for the Golu dolls. I had both of them cut out from the same 4x7 plywood board. You can check out our earlier blog post to figure out how the measurements were taken and how these staircase shaped risers were cut out. I additionally bought these 2 1" by 1" teak wood stems, and I had few of these leftover wooden strips from my earlier projects, and these I will be using to provide vertical and horizontal support for the entire Golu Padi structure. This is an oscillating multifunction power tool, and I have used this to cut the staircase shaped design on the side risers. Instead, you can use a jigsaw or a circular saw. You can also use a handsaw if you think you have enough practice. If you are getting into DIY woodworking, what you essentially need is an electric drill. This I am using for drilling all the pilot holes required for joining the side risers with the horizontal support, the vertical support and the actual steps. For joining all of them, I am using simple nuts and bolts. What you see here are 2" and 1" nuts and bolts. Step 1. Join the vertical teak wood stem with the horizontal plywood strip. So this would be the supporting structure that would hold your side step. So I've done it on one side. You can see that it reads B. So one side I've done it. The next step is to do it on the other side. Next step is to join your side step with the vertical support. As you can see here, we have already drilled the pilot holes both on the side step as well as on the sides of the vertical support. Using the nuts and the bolts, you can just get them fixed together. Just ensure that this portion is in line with the wall and the one below there is parallel to the floor. So this is essential for you to get the stability that you need for your steps. To be able to fix the step to the side riser and use bolts and nuts for it, what I've done is I've driven a pilot hole on top of the step, and the pilot hole runs through the edge of the side step. So you can see it here. That's the pilot hole through the edge of the side step. And additionally, I've also drilled a hole in the cross section of the side step. This hole would host the nut. So that's Preeti demonstrating how it's done. So the nut is inserted into the hole and the bolt is driven from the top. So what happens is the bolt goes and sits inside the nut, and then as you tighten it holds the planks together.